everyone. A and B are van der Waals constants for gases. Chlorine is more easily liquefied than ethane because A for Cl2 is less than A for C2H6, but B for Cl2 is greater than B for C2H6. A for Cl2 is greater than A for C2H6, but B for Cl2 is less than B for C2H6. A and B for Cl2 is greater than A and B for C2H6. A and B for Cl2 is less than A and B for C2H6. Okay, so here the A and B, we know A is the van der Waals constant, which is the measure of intermolecular force of attraction. It is a measure of intermolecular force of attraction among the gas molecules. The more the intermolecular force of attraction, more easily the gas can be liquefied. B is the measure of excluded volume. Okay, of the gas molecules. That means more the molecular size, more will be the value of B. Okay, so for the gas to be easily liquefied, the intermolecular force of attraction should be high and the molecular size should be, the measure of excluded volume of the gas molecule should be less. If it will be less, what will happen? Molecules will be of smaller size and intermolecular force of attraction can be greater, because as the molecular size increases, the nucleus separation increases and the intermolecular force of attraction decreases. But if the molecular size is small, it will try to attract the two atoms with a stronger force. Okay, so less the molecular size, more will be the intermolecular force of attraction and we can easily liquefy the gas. But B tells us the molecules, volume of the molecules, the molecular size. More the molecular size, more will be the value of B. Okay, that's the excluded volume occupied by the molecules. Okay, so for the gas to be easily liquefied, the following two conditions should be followed. A should be more and B should be less, which is only followed in option 2. You can see A for Cl2 is greater than A for C2H6, but B for Cl2 is less than B for C2H6. So this option is the only correct option in this question. Okay, so that's the reason why we can easily liquefy chlorine than ethane, because it has a higher value of A and lower value of B as compared to ethane. Okay, I hope this has answered your question. Thank you.